Oh my gosh, this game is so boring. Yeah, right, I love Blockus. What else do you think we should do? Wait, what is that? It just sounds like a truck. Yeah, but not just any truck. It's the Pizza Man! One moment, please. Yes, I ordered one large pizza with like tons of toppings on it. Thank you, here's the money, bye. Yes, I love $19 and counting. Amlin, did you hear something? No, I didn't hear a thing. I am sure I heard something. Yeah, right, your mind is just making it up. Okay, I know I heard something, for sure. Ugh, stop playing around with me, Marley. I want to watch the show. Just be quiet. Whoa, wait, oh my gosh, okay, I believe you now. What do we do? I don't know, it could be some creepy old man trying to steal our Valentine's Day candy. Marley, you didn't even get any candy on Valentine's Day. I say we just go explore. Okay, Marley, I'll go to the front door. You be right behind me. Oh my gosh, what is it? Wait, it's just a girl. Hi, I'm Briar, your new roommate. Oh, oops. But wait, Briar, if you didn't turn off the lights, then who did? I don't know. Ah! Oh my gosh. You are, please don't take our non-existent Valentine's Day candy! Oh, Marley, you're always thinking about the most important things.
Oh, our love was running into a burning building. Oh.